Best decision I ever made was to go silent. No more proving, no more performing. I'm done trying to convince anyone I'm good. If I didn't break it, I'm not fixing it. If you can't see my worth, I'm not shining brighter just to be noticed. What you do is on you, but just know, some mistakes echo. I stopped explaining myself to people committed to misunderstanding me. Peace doesn't come from being heard. It comes from being still. Let them talk, let them twist the story. I've outgrown the need to defend my name in rooms I don't belong in. Not everyone will value you, and not everyone was meant to. I used to break my own heart trying to keep others comfortable. Now I choose me. Quietly, boldly, without apology. The love I gave, still pure. The effort, still real. But the access, that's earned now. I'm not angry, I'm aware, and awareness changed everything.